Right here I have this amazing hoodie that you're gonna wanna lounge around in all day. Hey guys, my name is TJ and I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium in this hoodie and I do think that it fits absolutely perfect. Now let me show you some key features. We have really nice drawstrings going all the way throughout. It's gonna be a high quality and we're gonna have a silver tip on the end. This is gonna be the black model and it looks really sleek and nice. We're also gonna feature a rib design on the sleeves, so they're gonna stay above your wrists and you can even pull them up to your forearm really nice and they'll remain snug. We have a good size hoodie up here that does fit your head really good, keeps you warm and comfortable. Now this is gonna be made for tall individuals, so it's a really good length on me, and we're also gonna get the rib design on the bottom, so that's really gonna prevent it from riding up on you and just keeping you comfortable when you're wearing this all day. We're also gonna feature a pocket for your hands in the front here, and it's gonna be really easy to just throw your hands in there. It's gonna be comfortable resting position. I do like that. There's a ton of room. Now this hoodie is gonna be made with an 89% cotton and 11% polyester that's gonna make it very comfortable and also give it a nice four-way stretch when you're wearing this. This is something I'd like to wear all day, whether I'm lounging around in the house, I'm running errands throughout the day. Definitely would wear something like this traveling. If I'm going on a plane, I'd like to be in a comfortable hoodie like this that's gonna keep me warm and just be moisture wickening and comfortable all day. It's a really quality fabric. It just looks nice and smooth. I love the black finish. It's just like a really vibrant black and just looks sleek, and you can tell this is really high quality. The stitching looks amazing and I highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice new hoodie for the fall, winter, spring season. This is definitely something that I recommend. Thanks for watching. Add this to your cart and I'll see you in the next video.